Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by signing into the same Apple ID on both iPhone and MacBook Air. Check that you use the same email and password on each device. Update your Mac to Mac OS 12 or later, and your iPhone to iOS 15 or later. Keep both devices plugged into power if possible while updating. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network name. Enable two-factor authentication for your Apple ID before continuing with sync steps. Open settings on your iPhone and system settings on your MacBook Air to enable iCloud features. Turn on iCloud Drive, Photos, Contacts, Calendars, and Messages in iCloud. On the Mac, open System Settings, then Apple ID, and enable matching iCloud toggles. Next, enable handoff on both devices to allow app continuity between them. Go to Settings, then General on the iPhone and System Settings, then General on the Mac to find handoff. Finally, enable iCloud Backup on the iPhone. Use a USB-C to Lightning cable to connect the iPhone to your MacBook Air. Open Finder on Mac OS and select your iPhone from the sidebar under Locations. In Finder, review tabs for music, movies, files, and info to choose what to sync. Check the box for sync next to each category you want to transfer to the Mac. If you need passwords or health data, tick Encrypt Local Backup and set a secure password. Finally, click Apply or Sync and wait for the progress bar to finish before disconnecting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.